In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Shopify store with CJ Dropshipping. This is a fantastic way to start your online business journey, combining the robust e-commerce platform of Shopify with the efficient order fulfillment services of CJ Dropshipping. Let's dive right in and get started. First, make sure you're on the homepage of CJ Dropshipping. This is where you'll begin the integration process. If you're not familiar with CJ Dropshipping, it's a comprehensive dropshipping platform that helps you source products and automate order fulfillment. You'll want to ensure that you have an account set up and are logged in, as this will be crucial for the steps we're about to take. Once you're on the CJ Dropshipping homepage, look at the top of the page for the Integrations option. Clicking here will take you to a new page where you can connect your CJ Dropshipping account with various e-commerce platforms. This integration process is vital because it allows products and orders to seamlessly flow between your Shopify store and CJ Dropshipping, making your dropshipping business much more manageable. After clicking Integrations, you'll see a list of platforms that you can connect with. For our purposes today, you'll want to find and select Shopify. Shopify is renowned for its ease of use and versatility, making it a top choice for many online entrepreneurs. By integrating with Shopify, you'll be able to manage your products, track inventory, and process orders all in one place. Now, once you've clicked on Shopify, the next step is to click on Start Shopify. This will initiate the connection between CJ Dropshipping and your Shopify store. Make sure you have your Shopify store credentials handy, as you'll likely need to log in or authorize the connection through your Shopify account. This step is crucial because it ensures that CJ Dropshipping can access your store to automate product listings and order fulfillment. As you go through these steps, keep in mind that integrating CJ Dropshipping with Shopify is designed to simplify your workflow, allowing you to focus more on growing your business rather than getting bogged down by the logistics. Once the integration is complete, you'll be able to choose products from CJ Dropshipping to add to your Shopify store, manage orders, and track shipments effortlessly. And that's it! You've now set up your Shopify store with CJ Dropshipping. By following these steps, you've positioned yourself to run a successful dropshipping business with minimal hassle. Don't forget to explore the various features both platforms offer, as they can provide valuable insights and tools to help scale your business. Thanks for watching, and happy dropshipping!